Hey guys, Alex here from SunVolt. I want to show you a new device that we developed. It's a device that allows us to connect a low voltage battery to the Huawei hybrid inverters. So let me get into it and show you what it's all about. This is the DCDC box that we created. It allows you to use a low voltage battery. In our case, it's our own battery that we build at SunVolt. It's based on JK our custom display. So we connected this system to a 25 kilowatt Huawei inverter. You can see it here. It's the MB0 hybrid inverter. The ports are connected to the BAT1, and we also have a string of solar panels connected to it. You can see that the wires go to the DCDC, and in the back we have the communication for our solution. The inverter communicates with our DCDC, and it sets the target voltage that's required for it to run. In Fusion Solar, this battery is shown as any other battery. We display the capacity, we get the bus voltage for the low side. We also get the SOC, the state of charge of the battery. We have the serial numbers and everything else. This is the dashboard that we created for this solution. So you can see the state of the DCDC, you can see the HV bus voltage, we can see the low voltage current and the power that's being used. We also have a debug page that we're using to check that everything is fine. We see the voltages from the cells, the JK current and voltage, and the data. We'll clean up this page. We're just using it for debug at the moment. We established the communication and everything works fine now, and we'll be polishing this solution soon to get it ready for shipping. So let me know, what do you think about this? If you think it's something you will try, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can visit our website sunvolt.ro, or you can also go on our deepcyclepower.com. That's a separate business, but I will be still answering the emails and the messages. So yeah, we installed this air filter because the DCDC unit that we're using inside, it's meant for a cabinet, a power cabinet, and for this reason we wanted to create something that's compact and easy to install. We have the controller board on the back and also the power connectors on the front. We still have a few edits to do on the front. We decided to go with MC4 connectors instead of the quick connectors that we'll be using for low voltage batteries, and we wanted to go with the MC4 because those are better isolated. So yeah guys, that's the solution. Let me know, what do you think about this again, and I'll see you soon.